Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered why some people seem to enjoy their food more than others? Or why you sometimes feel stuffed even after eating just a little? Well, today we will understand what is mindful eating. We'll explore how this simple practice can change the way your body and brain respond to food. So, grab a snack, mindfully, of course, and let's get started. First off, what exactly is mindful eating? It is a real, practical technique rooted in science. Mindful eating is about paying full attention to your food as you eat it. It involves using all your senses to experience and enjoy your meal. This means noticing the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food. It also means eating slowly and without distractions. Now, let's talk about how mindful eating affects your body. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to chew your food thoroughly. This simple act has a big impact on your digestion. Better chewing means your food is broken down more before it reaches your stomach. This makes it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. It also reduces the likelihood of indigestion and bloating. Mindful eating can also help with portion control. When you eat slowly and pay attention, you are more likely to notice when you are full. This can prevent overeating and help maintain a healthy weight. Research shows that people who eat mindfully tend to eat less overall. They also report feeling more satisfied with their meals. But the benefits don't stop with your body. Your brain gets in on the action too. Mindful eating can actually change the way your brain responds to food. When you eat mindfully, you activate areas of the brain associated with self-awareness. This includes regions like the insular and the prefrontal cortex. These areas help you make conscious choices about what and how much to eat. Mindful eating also affects the brain's reward system. When you slow down and savor your food, you're more likely to feel satisfied. This is because you're giving your brain time to register the pleasurable aspects of eating. As a result, you might find yourself craving less food overall. Let's talk about stress for a moment. Many of us tend to overeat when we are actually stressed. Mindful eating can help break this cycle. By focusing on your food, you are practicing a form of meditation. This can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Lower stress means you are less likely to reach for that extra cookie when you are not really hungry. Now, you might be wondering how to start practicing mindful eating. Here are some simple steps you can try. First, start by removing distractions. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus solely on your meal. Next, take a moment to appreciate your food before you start eating. Notice its appearance, smell, and the effort that went into preparing it. This thought process is intricately linked to physiological process of digestion. As you eat, chew slowly and thoroughly. Remove haste. Try to identify all the different flavors and textures in each bite. Pay attention to how your body feels as you eat. Notice when you start to feel full. Stop eating when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Remember, mindful eating is a skill that takes practice. Don't worry if you find it challenging at first. Even small moments of mindfulness during meals can make a difference. Let's look at a real-life example. Sarah, a busy office worker, used to rush through her lunches at her desk. She often felt unsatisfied after meals. When she started practicing mindful eating, she noticed some big changes. She started taking proper lunch breaks away from her desk. She found she enjoyed her food more and felt more energized in the afternoons. Over time, she also noticed she was making healthier food choices naturally. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I don't have time for this. The good news is you do not need to eat mindfully at every meal to see benefits. Even practicing mindful eating once a day can make a difference. You could start with just one mindful bite at the beginning of each meal. Gradually increase this as you get more comfortable with the practice. It is important to note that mindful eating isn't about perfect eating. It is not about a particular diet or a set of rules. It is about developing a healthier, more enjoyable relationship with food. This means sometimes you might eat mindfully, and other times you might not. The goal is progress, not perfection. Let us talk about some of the scientific studies on mindful eating. A study published in the Journal of Obesity found that mindful eating can lead to weight loss. Participants who practiced mindful eating lost more weight than those who didn't. Another study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics had similar findings. It showed that mindful eating can help reduce binge eating and emotional eating. A study in the journal Diabetes Care looked at people with type 2 diabetes. Those who practiced mindful eating showed improvements in their blood sugar levels. They also reported feeling less anxious and depressed. There is another interesting connection with sustainability. Mindful eating often goes hand in hand with cooking at home more. When we cook our own meals, we have more control over the ingredients we use. We can choose to buy ingredients with less packaging, reducing our waste. Plus, home-cooked meals often mean fewer takeout containers and plastic utensils that pollute and harm the environment. So, as you can see, mindful eating is not just about enjoying your food more. It is a powerful tool that can improve your physical and mental health. It can help you make better food choices, manage your weight, and reduce stress. All of this just by paying more attention to what and how you are eating. So there you have it now, the science behind mindful eating. It is a simple practice that can have a big impact on your body and brain. Why not give it a try at your next meal? Pay attention to your food, eat slowly, and notice how you feel. You might be surprised at the difference it makes. Thanks for watching.